welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm okay as well, just getting through quarantine. So today I'm back with a new video. Today I'm making jerk prawn pasta, as you can see from the picture, and also fried chicken. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So guys, let's get started. So here in the bowl I have 400 grams of shrimp, prawns, and I've seasoned it. I've let it marinate for about 20 minutes. What I did use was the salt, black pepper, and also a teaspoon of jerk seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. And I have my penne pasta, my double cream. I use the plant-based one, but you can use whatever you like. I have in the plate my chopped red pepper, yellow pepper, spring onion, and two garlic chopped up. And yeah, here's just some of the seasonings that I'm going to be using for my sauce. In a pan, I have put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I let it heat up a bit, and then I went in and added my prawns. So I'm going to be frying the prawns or sauteing them for about 3 minutes on each side, so altogether 6 minutes. And yeah, we're going to just let it fry. On a separate pan, I have put some water, 2 cups of water or 3 cups, and I put olive oil and salt, and I'm just going to let it boil for my pasta. So after about 6 to 10 minutes, I'm going to take out my prawns. I'm putting it in a separate bowl, and we're just leaving it for after, so we can add it to our pasta. So on the same pan that we just done our prawns, I'm going to be sauteing my red pepper, my yellow pepper, my spring onion, and after I'm going to be adding the garlic. And I did not add any more oil. So guys, here I have my chicken. I already marinated it. It's been marinating for about an hour. I'm going to pass it in milk and flour, and after I'll be frying it. So guys, here's my chicken. I'm going to take them out. So after frying them, I'm going to be putting them in the oven just so the inside can cook for about 20 minutes really. So yeah, here's my fried chicken. Okay guys, this is my pepper and everything. Now I'm going to go in with my double cream. So I've actually went ahead and used two double cream cups. On the first video where I showed the ingredients, I had one double cream and one single cream, but I decided I would use both doubles. And yeah, just the 2 cups of your double cream, and after we're gonna be going in with our seasoning. To go in with the pasta. So I'm just giving it a good stir right now because I just added the pasta and everything. And before I add in my prawns, at this point you can actually go ahead and add a bit of cheese. It's optional. I don't like cheese, so that's why I'm not adding. but you can go ahead and add some cheese if you like cheese. So don't add too much, as this is not macaroni and cheese, so you just add a little bit. And yeah, I'm just going to add my prawns, and I'm actually going to leave some of the prawns for after when I serve. And for the finishing touches, just sprinkle on top some parsley, and yeah, we're done. So this is it, guys, my jerk prawn pasta. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you feel that the pasta needs a bit more salt, you can just go ahead and add one of the seasonings that we've already used, which is like the all-purpose seasoning, and that's about it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and turn on your post notification for my next video. Thank you, guys.